You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off app notifications on your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Find a notification from the app you want to silence. Press and hold that notification. A menu will appear. Tap on Turn Off Notifications or the Settings gear icon. This will take you to that app's notification settings. Toggle the switch at the top to the off position to disable all notifications from that app. You can also customize by tapping on notification categories to turn off specific types of alerts like promotional emails while keeping important ones for system-wide control. Go to Settings, then Apps. Select the app from the list. Tap on Notifications. Here you can toggle off all notifications or manage different channels. To quickly mute all notifications, pull down the notification shade twice and look for the Do Not Disturb icon. Tap it. For a more permanent solution, you can put your phone in silent mode using the volume buttons. Remember, turning off notifications may cause you to miss important updates. You can always turn them back on by following the same steps and toggling the switch on. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.